Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can change the font size in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, the interface language for Opera browser can be customized through your browser appearance settings. To access these, click into the Opera browser icon in the top left, select settings. Here navigate to appearance and scroll down. And here under appearance, here you will see the font size, which is set to medium, but you can choose one of these 5, like small, large, and so on and so forth. And you may also customize the font style itself by clicking to this button and choose a different standard font, serif font, sans serif. And here also customize the font size. You will see the preview here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.